Hunsrueck. No, not really. We are going near Montabaur, which is relatively near to Hunsrueck, to have a relaxing weekend.
Yes. We're going to Hunsrueck also because I saw a really nice picture on Instagram with a suspension bridge. Apparently that's the longest suspension bridge in Germany, right?
Longest and highest.
Longest and highest.
360 meters long and 100 meter high.
How do you know? Did you just make this up?
I went to Wikipedia.
Wanna find me? First niggas gotta find me.
Yeah, I'm a problem that I met.
So the area is called Kannenbecker Land. If I would do a direct translation, so Kanne is like a pot.
Yeah.
Becker is a baker, so it's the pot
pottery.
baker's country.
We're looking for somewhere to have lunch.
We started here,
Where's the hotel?
Hotel Zugbrücke, and then we walked until here, and now we are here at
Look at this, it's
Standort.
three-dimensional.
and we're gonna continue walking here, and then what do you think about this place? Especially the fantastic treatment in the restaurant that we just received.
Very nice. Haven't felt like an outsider in a long while here.
By the way, so I'm obviously German. I was looked at as if I'm
A stranger.
Alien. Like, who is this person and what is he doing here? And all we wanted to do was grab something for lunch, and it's like 2:40, 2:45. The thing is, kitchen is closed, so no possibility for us to actually eat something. Did you pack any food?
In the hotel?
Scheiße. Yes, it's all real. It's like cut from trees.
That is so cool. I haven't seen something like that before. I
So-
expected to see more lines though. It looks, birch is so white.
Yes, because it's a very light tree itself.
Oh.
I don't know the other. So this is oak. You can feel a difference if you touch this. It feels very soft,
Oh, wow.
a lot more solid. Yeah. Kiefer is a needle tree for sure. This is, what's this?
Chestnut.
This is chestnut tree.
Really?
And, yeah. On top here, what you see is okay. This is something, whatever they call it.
Is it Grenzau?
Kind of. So then there's a sponge and other stuff. This is the most interesting part. This is a Spechthöhle. You know what's a Specht?
No.
So there's a woodpecker's entrance, and here you can see as well woodpecker entrance.
Oh.
And woodpecker will stay inside the tree itself.
A woodpecker's house!
Alles gut.
Someone is really, really hungry.
How is the walk so far?
It's very relaxing. It's like I think it's a good walk to just take your mind off stuff and to enjoy a bit of nature, but there's nothing to see here.
Game of Thrones. Do 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 do.
So the plan is, or was, to fly the drone up the tower just now. Well, not just now, but the tower we saw yesterday. But then it's beginning to drizzle. And we're not going to the bridge because it's storming in the bridge. We're heading back to Wuppertal now, but then instead of taking the usual probably 2-hour drive, no wait, 1.5 hour drive, we're driving another route that's avoiding the autobahn and taking the duration of the route is going to take about 3 hours. Did we see anything nice?
No.